What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. 3-box football break for you tonight. But first, the bad break drawing for last night's break, giving away a $10 promo code or randomize the list 5 times. Here we go, number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is Joe. Now we'll get the roster for tonight's break. And we'll randomize the list 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Copy the results, paste them against the list of teams. The list of teams in alphabetical order. And here is the roster for tonight. Alright, we'll start off with the 2016 Prime Signatures. Alright, good luck everybody. Up first, Bo Jackson, Tyrod Taylor, Arian Foster, Khalil Mack, blue parallel, 11 out of 49. Raiders going to Austin. Connor Cook, rookie green parallel. And a rookie on patch autograph, Jonathan Williams. Here's he out of Arkansas. I don't know which team drafted Jonathan. We'll make sure to include it in the scans and get it to the right person. There's the name if you want to take a look at home while we're breaking. Jonathan Williams. Get that in focus. Super short print. 11 out of 25. Alright, doesn't want to focus. We'll move on. Up next, the 2015 Topps Finest. Trey Mason, Landon Collins, Antonio Brown, a red refractor, 37 out of 99. Steelers going to Austin. Brashad Perriman, rookie die cut, Blake Bortles. Stephon Diggs, Sam Bradford, Dante Fowler Jr., Lamar Miller, X-Fractor, Matt Jones. Randall Cobb, Antonio Brown, Tony Romo, Brashad Perriman, DeMarco Murray. Coley Matthews, Eric Decker, Carlos Hyde, gold refractor, 99 out of 150. Going to Jonathan, Cameron Artis Payne, rookie die cut, Andre Johnson. Jalen Strong, Travis Kelce, T.Y. Hilton, and rookie auto jersey patch for the Bucks, Kenny Bell. Bucks going to Steven. Arian Foster, Vic Beasley, Kelvin Benjamin, Tony Romo, die cut red refractor, 34 out of 50. Going to Rich and Kevin White. Adrian Peterson, Clive Wolford, Aaron Rodgers, Jordan Matthews, finest green refractor to 299. Going to Jeremy. Chris Conley. Andy Dalton, Cameron Artis Payne, Tony Romo, blue refractor, 57 out of 250. Another one for you, Rich. Nelson Aguilar, Sammy Coates. Devin Funchess, Matt Ryan, Mike Davis, Jamison Crowder, rookie X-Fractor, Dante Moncrief. Russell Wilson, J.A.J., Derek Carr, Julian Edelman, Bryce Petty. Jay Cutler, Javorius Allen, Garrett Grayson, rookie die cut, David Johnson, Phillip Rivers. Ryan Tannehill. And rookie auto patch, blue refractor for the Vikings, Stephon Diggs, 17 out of 150. Congratulations, Corey. So, we'll finish up with 2014 Museum. For the Texans, J.J. Watt, red parallel. Going to Austin. Numbered 20 out of 50. Trey Mason, Colin Kaepernick, Logan Thomas. Autograph dual patch for the Raiders, Marcel Reese, 83 out of 120. Raiders going to Austin. Alshon Jeffrey, Dante Moncrief, Marshawn Lynch, Bo Jackson. Quad patch from the Pro Bowl for the Cowboys, Jason Witten. Super short print, 25 out of 50. Pretty cool. Congratulations, Rich. Sammy Watkins, Cody Latimer, Percy Harvin, Tony Romo. And the game used jumbo patch for the Dolphins, Ryan Tannehill, 51 out of 115. Going to Jeremy. Andrew Luck, Derek Carr, Bishop Sankey, Russell Wilson Canvas Collection. And we'll finish up with a Matt Forte on card auto 52 out of 300. Going to Jonathan. Congratulations, and that will do it for tonight's break. Back at it tomorrow with the case break of the new and noir basketball. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.